With the all-new 2024 KTM 390 Duke, the world around you becomes your very own gymkhana. Bringing exceptional agility, lightweight handling, and punchy performance to the street, this middleweight bruiser is ready to take on any twists or turns. Packing state-of-the-art rider aids, an all-new frame, adjustable suspension, and aggressive new looks, the 2024 KTM 390 Duke wears the crown when it comes to carving up the asphalt. LED lighting. 2024 KTM Duke models come equipped with powerful LED lights in the front and at the rear. Engine. Boasting the latest generation in LC4C engines, the 2024 KTM 390 Duke muscles up with a 399cc capacity, more power. Track mode transforms the 5-inch TFT display graphics. Ride modes, street and rain mode. Launch control. The engine will peak at 7,000 revolutions per minute with a wide open throttle. Front suspension. Up front, a 43mm WP Apex open cartridge fork with 150mm travel. Rear shock. On the rear, you'll find an off-center WP Apex separate piston. Frame. The new design features a two-piece construction composed of an all-new steel trellis main frame with a pressure die-cast aluminum subframe. Seat. 820mm. Improved comfort for the rider and pillion, thanks to thicker seat foam, a narrower profile. Swing arm. A new curved cast aluminum swing arm provides a sturdy and durable platform for the rear suspension system. Wheels and tires. Set of lightweight wheels, wrapped in grippy Michelin tires. Brakes. Front brake. 4-piston radial fixed caliper, brake disc. Rear brake 2-piston floating caliper.